Hi guys, James here. Welcome to Tibaldi Goes Motorworks and welcome to build update part 2 on Tamiya's 1/48 scale Citroen Traction 11 CV staff car in 1/48 scale. So as you can see, she's all painted and assembled. Wheels are done, the interior is all painted. Steering wheel is fitted, the instrument panel's on. Made up the part that was missing. So basically, I've just picked out the little details that should be silver on her. So hopefully, we shall get her clear coated. Click fit. That's a nice click fit you can hear there. We'll get her clear coated, and then we'll get a final assembled. So there's the grille. Yeah, when we painted the windscreen, so I was very daring. I hand painted the silver on the edge. So I actually did that when after I was injured, so that was equally impressive. So I'll pause the video there. I'm going to get it clear coated, let the clear coating set for 24 hours so the decals can pull down, and then we'll be a few seconds for you, probably several hours or a day later for me. I shall get her clear coated. I appreciate she does look glossy, but obviously I've had to touch up in a few places, so I didn't use gloss black. So I'll see you in a bit. And we are back with the 11 CV. As you can see, I've given her a gloss coat. Obviously, and I've glued the glazing in. So this is where things could go horribly wrong. Obviously, fitted the lights in there. Just an observation, not a criticism, but why oh why did Tamiya put such tiny location lugs on a on glazing? Well, in fact, it's been on all the parts here, so hopefully we are now going to get that onto there. Obviously, with this side, we can glue it like so. I do apologise for the little kid grizzling. I think she needs to go to sleep. And hopefully we'll get the grill in theory. Like so. Obviously we'll lightly tack that in. Oops. Didn't need to do that. Let capillary action do its thing. Right. That'll need a bit of a polish, won't it? I shall give it a bit of buff up later on when I've allowed it to dry slightly more. So there we go. There's a little Citroen 11CV all done. What a fun build it was. So I'll let it dry for a bit, and then buff the roof up a little bit with some elbow grease or something like that, because we are going to do a yes, I've got grease on my fingers, so that's not good. So yeah, I'm going to leave it to dry for a bit, and then we shall get her on the spinny thing. Now the glazing to set up, etc, etc, and I'll see you in a bit. And we're back with the Citroen 11CV build, staff car build. I managed to buff out the roof a bit using Tamiya's polishing compound. Fortunately, note to self: do not handle a model when it's the clear coat still soft. So fortunate save by me, otherwise that would have been a respray. I was dreading to do that because it's all glued together. So yeah, really pleased with how this little car went. So I think it's roughly 80 centimeters long, or 90 centimeters long. So it's a weeny little vehicle, this one. This one is actually a civilian car, so it's actually the first car I've done on the stream. So on me what's it? So you can see the grille there. Cheated it with the X18. So actually, technically, this car is the first car I've done where I followed the colour call-outs in the instructions. Well, all right, the only one I cheated a bit was the orange on the wheels, because I used Outlaw Paints BR lining orange. So hopefully we'll get her on the spinny thing, and show her off in a finality. I'll see you in a bit. And we're back on the spin. She's back on the spinny thing. Really pleased with how this little car's gone together. Shame I lost a part, but hey ho. Still haven't found it. That's bad. We've got her on autofocus now, so she'll stay in focus there. yeah, she's a really cute little car. So yeah, I would thoroughly recommend this kit. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.